something very unusual happened in Jerome, Arizona. The old jail there actually moved from its original spot. It slowly slid down the mountain and now sits over 200 feet away from where it was built. The sliding jail in Jerome is a unique historical landmark with an intriguing story. Built in 1903, the jail was initially perched on the side of a hill in Jerome, a town known for its rich mining history and supernatural allure. However, in the 1930s, specifically in 1938, a series of events drastically changed its location and function. Dynamite explosions, set off by copper miners, caused the ground beneath the jail to shift dramatically. This movement resulted in the jail sliding off its foundation and moving a considerable distance, approximately 225 feet, into the middle of one of the town's main streets. Due to the earth movements from the many mining shafts in the area, the jail was rendered unusable. However, it was not completely destroyed by these movements. In 2017, the Jerome Historical Society acquired the sliding jail and began efforts to rehabilitate it. Part of this process included stabilizing the structure with retaining walls to prevent further collapse. Jerome, established in 1898 as a copper mining town, quickly became famous for wild activities like drinking, fighting, and gambling. It was even called the wickedest town in America at one point. During World War I, the town was bustling with up to 15,000 people. Now it's much quieter with only around 400 people living there. The town is on a very steep hill, and this isn't the first time a building has moved from its original place. In 1938, some underground explosions made the ground shift, causing the concrete jail cell to separate from its wooden and tin building. The jail, which was no longer safe for prisoners, kept moving down the hill until it was finally stopped. Now, the jail is held in place by walls and a fence to make sure it doesn't move again. The town of Jerome itself, before becoming a ghost town and a hub for tourists interested in its unique history, was the site of a small mine. The local Yavapai tribe initially mined copper in the area for their jewelry. The sliding jail remains one of Jerome's many curiosities, symbolizing the town's intriguing past, shaped by mining activities and the unpredictable nature of the land on which it was built. If you want to see it, the jail is right next to a parking lot on the main street of Jerome.